Have you ever wondered about the most unusual museums in Asia? Today we're setting off on a captivating journey, a voyage beyond the conventional. We'll be exploring 5 unique museums, each with their own story to tell. From the ancient to the modern, the heartbreaking to the magical, these are experiences that will challenge your expectations, stir your emotions, and ignite your imagination. So buckle up and prepare for an adventure like no other. Are you ready to embark on this extraordinary journey? Starting our countdown at number 5, we have the Sulabh International Museum of Toilets in India. Now this isn't your average museum. Instead, it offers a unique journey tracing the history of toilets from 2500 BC right up to the present day. From golden thrones to simple squat toilets, it's a fascinating exploration of one of humanity's most essential yet often overlooked inventions. So, next time you visit India, why not take a detour to this interesting museum? Moving on to number 4 on our list, we find ourselves at the War Remnants Museum in Vietnam. This museum offers a unique perspective on the Vietnam War, narrating the story through the eyes of the Vietnamese people. It's a poignant reminder of the devastating impacts of conflict, filled with artifacts and exhibits that tell tales of bravery, loss, and resilience. A journey through these halls is not just an exploration of history, but also an emotional voyage. A visit to this museum leaves a heavy yet important imprint on the heart. At number 3, we have a treat for the animation lovers, the Studio Ghibli Museum in Japan. This isn't just a museum, it's an enchanting journey into the world of animation. It's like walking through the pages of a storybook, each corner revealing an intricate tale. Especially for fans of Miyazaki's films, it's an immersive experience, a chance to step into the magical realms they've only seen on screen. A visit to this museum is like stepping into a Miyazaki film itself. Coming in at number 2, we have the Museum of Broken Relationships in the Philippines. This isn't your typical museum. Here, love and loss are explored through a collection of personal items from failed relationships. Each item tells a story of heartbreak, longing, or fond nostalgia. From love letters never sent to treasured mementos of days gone by, the museum is a testament to the universal human experience of love and its eventual loss. This museum offers a unique, cathartic experience, reminding us that we are not alone in heartbreak. And finally, at number 1, we have the Trick Eye Museum in South Korea. This is far from your typical museum. Here, art and reality blur lines, creating an immersive world of optical illusions. Each exhibit encourages participation, inviting you to not just look but to touch, to explore, to fully engage. You'll find yourself stepping into paintings, becoming part of the art, and you might even lose track of where the floor ends and the wall begins. Who knew a museum visit could be such an interactive and fun-filled experience? And there you have it, the top 5 most unusual museums in Asia. From the humble toilet's history to love's remnants, Miyazaki's magical world, and the mind-bending illusions, each offers a unique perspective. Remember, the world is full of unique and intriguing places waiting just for you to discover them.